Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook adobong kangkong with ham and chicharron. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, vinegar, oyster sauce, the kangkong, and then the chicharron. This is for garnish, and this one is to subak na siya. Okay, and then onions, spring onions, garlic, chilies, and then tomatoes. Start, we're gonna saute the garlic. Guys, okay, spring onion, sliced ham, and then the chicharron. And then guys, the soy sauce. And then the vinegar. Black pepper. Oyster sauce guys. Just a pinch of salt. This one first, so that the kangkong it's going to be cooked. So we're gonna our ginisa adobong kangkong with ham and chicharron. Yummy guys. And now guys, okay, we're gonna add the chicharron. We're gonna off the heat because I don't want overcook, so that's why. Okay guys, so that's it guys. So that's our adobong kangkong. Okay, I'm going to taste guys. It's yummy guys. So that's our adobong kangkong with ham and chicharron. It's super yummy guys. And see you tomorrow for another recipe. It's super yummy.